So I've been feeling a really deep calling recently to verbally manifest, and I wanted to capture it so that there's a butterfly, so that in like 5 or 10 years I could look back on it. And so I've felt this calling for like a couple days now, and I finally had the chance to come out here. I'm at this little creek not far from our cabin, and it's just really cool. I envision myself living on a plot of land, many acres wide, enough room to house me and my animals and an art studio and my willow tree. I want to plant a willow tree on my first property as soon as I get it, as a marker of how far I've come and a new beginning, and the growth that will come throughout living there. I'll have 3 dogs and 2 cats that may grow, knowing me. Chickens and goats, and maybe eventually a horse. It'll start out small, but I'll build it up, and it'll be my little sanctuary. Eventually, maybe the land will expand, and I'll build a little community of like-minded individuals and just people that I've met along the way that connect and that are looking for a community of healing and love and nurturing and sustaining. I'll be able to be fully independent, living off of the art I creating from the deepest depths of my soul, and people connecting it with it and reaching new people every day. I won't be driven by money, but obviously money is a contributing factor. I can see it so vividly in my mind. I'll have a little greenhouse with herbal medicinal herbs, creating little salves and green witchery and everything like that. Maybe have a stand at the farmer's market where I sell all of the things I do, because the universe knows that I can't focus on one thing. I'm a creator of many things, a producer of many things. So I'll have little salves and prints and paintings, just all of the oddities and things I create and manifest and realize. I don't know where it'll be, probably somewhere in New York, knowing me, but it's gonna be a good life. It is a good life. It already is. I can feel it. I know it. I love it. I don't know, this period of the summer has been such a big transition period, because I'm obviously going from high school to college, and I'm living my dream, going to an art school in New York City. And this summer has just been a really great period of like manifestation and grounding and realizing my goals for the future. I don't know, I'm just really excited. I'm so content with where I am now, but I've been getting these psychic downloads for so long of just possibilities and where I may end up in the future. Butterflies back. I have a lot of plants too, knowing me. Art all along the walls. Big homey kitchen with wooden slab counters. And all types of thrifted cutlery and plates and dishes and just everything. nothing will really match, but in a way it matches just because everything's so different, because it's all thrifted and vintage and handcrafted. Maybe a 3-bedroom home, but like 1 bedroom is turned into like my craft room where I just do all of my random things, and maybe a community room where we all come together. Floor couches and tables. Plenty of land for my dogs. And obviously, things are bound to change, but I think it's still a beautiful thing to really reflect on the things you envision for yourself in the future. And I think envisioning things can really help them come to fruition, no matter how far they are away. I don't know, I'm just really excited and really proud. Alright, I think that's all. Those mushrooms. Aren't those so cool? So beautiful. Hi, hello. So I thought that today I could show you the stuff I got while in New York. All of the stuff here is from small businesses and I'm obsessed. I got a lot of stuff, to be honest, but I'm really happy with everything I got, so I thought I would show you all the cool stuff I got. The first thing I got, I'm wearing these like super cool pants. They're like patchwork quilt pants almost, and they're so comfy. They're honestly my favorite pair of pants now. I can't stop wearing them. They are amazing. And from the same shop I got these flowy pants with like a really cool color. I have a pair from the same shop in a different color with this design, and I was obsessed with them, and I like wanted to go back to this shop when I went in the summer, so I did, and I got these, and I'm so happy with them. I love like loose fitting pants. I don't know if anyone else can relate to that, and I like wearing pants in the summer just because it's hard for me to find shorts that really fit me, and these pants are always so breathable and comfy, and like I love them, so I'm very happy I got those before I left. I got this really awesome ring. It's tourmaline. Here, let's see if we can get it to focus. It's tourmaline. In the light, it like turns blue. It's beautiful. I got it from a like flea market. There was a flea market that we went to, and there were a bunch of different stands, and there was this family, I think it's like a wife and a husband, that make jewelry out of different crystals and stones and stuff like that. And I saw this and I was like, oh my goodness, because I'm like trying to grow my ring collection because I really want new rings, and I saw this and I was like, I need it, so I got it. I got 2 pairs of earrings. I got this, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's agate. I have no idea how to pronounce it, but I got this earring. It has the little stone crystal thing here. I only have one because I had it in my ear earlier. I have the other one somewhere else. And then from, I think it's a different earring brand, but I got these earrings, which I love. I love the colors. Come on, bud. Alright. So these are the earrings. I think they are so cool. I haven't worn them yet. I might wear them today. But yeah, I like love getting random jewelry while I'm like at different places. I love having something to remember it by, and I love rings and earrings. Those are the main things I always collect because I have my set of necklaces that I never take off, so it's hard for me to put on a new necklace and take something off. And I don't really wear bracelets because I'm an artist and I type a lot too, so like I don't like having stuff on my wrist because it gets in the way and I end up taking them off and then forgetting them and stuff like that. But like that's why I love rings and earrings a lot. I got a bunch of prints and stickers. I'll show you those next. So this is actually a card, but I found it in a little gift shop and I loved it, and I was like, I want to put this up on my wall. It says, the planet does not need more successful people. The planet desperately needs more peacemakers, healers, restorers, storytellers, and lovers of all kinds. And I really loved the message in this, so I want to put this up on my wall. It's like $2 and I loved it. And it's also recycled paper, which is really cool. But yeah, I love that. I got another print from a little tea shop, hold on, which I sent to my Discord, and they're like, that fits you so perfectly. So it's this little print. It says, but first tea, and it's so cool. It's like engraved in it, so like there's texture, and it is so pretty. I'm putting that on my wall as well. I thought that fit very perfectly with me. And then I got these like 4 stickers, and they have they're all amazing. They make me laugh. Some of them are funny, some of them are like serious, but there's this one. It says, I think it says, I'm too magical for this shit, and it's just a unicorn pooping out rainbows, which I thought was iconic, and it's hollow, which I think is so cool because I'm obsessed with hollow. And then there's this sticker. It says the future is inclusive, which I love. And then there is this one. It says, don't let the bastards get you down, and I thought that was a really amazing message. And I don't know where I'm going to put these yet, but I don't know. I loved the message of that one. And then there's this one, and it just says, fuckity fuck fuck fuck, which is something I used to say all the time, and it is amazing, and I love it, and it makes me happy. I don't know where I'm gonna put these. Does anyone else have like the decision paralysis where like when you get a bunch of stickers, you don't know where to put them because like they're so cool, you don't want to like misplace it, or like you don't want to put it on something you might get rid of? Like when I was younger, I used to collect stickers, and I had a whole organization box of just stickers that I would never put on anything because I thought they were too cool. Like the Lisa Frank stickers, oh my god. But like, it's just like I suck at like figuring out where I want to put them. Like I cover my sketchbooks in them because like I keep all my sketchbooks, so I'm probably gonna end up putting a couple of these on my sketchbook. But like, does anyone else have that? Because I can't be alone in that. All right, anyways, then I went to a bookstore, and y'all know I can't walk into a bookstore and not get a book. I literally think that it's physically impossible for me. So I got 3 books. The first one is Cinderella's Dead. It's a fantasy book. Fiction fantasy. I just finished this morning. It was incredible. I absolutely loved it. It's really, really cool, and it has a really beautiful message, so I highly recommend it if you're looking for like a quick fantasy book. You could like, honestly, it is like 400 pages, 380, but it is super, super quick and really easy to read, and it has a really beautiful message, and it's also cool. It's a spin on Cinderella, as you could tell, but like, it's just amazing. I highly recommend it if you're looking for a new fantasy book. It's also queer, which we love, so it was great. And then the next one is Kings, Queens, and In-Betweens. I've started reading this. It's personally slow for me, so I took a break from it and started reading that one. I'm gonna get back to this one in a couple days. It's just a little slow. Be warned if you're interested in it, but it's cool. It's about drag queens and kings and just allies and like queerness, so I wanted to read it. I definitely think it's marketed towards like younger audiences than me, to be honest, but I'm gonna try and see if I can get into it. And then I got a nonfiction book, and it's The Body Keeps the Score. It's a psychology trauma book, which my therapist recommended to me, and I really, really wanted to read this for a long time, and I saw it and I was like, this is the perfect timing. Also, isn't it funny that these are almost the same exact color cover and spine? I think they match so perfectly. The camera's making the Kings one a little more pink, but like in real life they're almost the exact same color, and I just thought that was funny, but they're very, very different books. So yeah, those are all the books I got. I love them. I'm so obsessed with books. If you couldn't tell, I have my whole stack of like books I have to read that I've bought already that I want to read, and I have so many. I have to figure out what books I'm bringing to college. That's going to be a painful decision. Anyways, I forgot to mention, I got these forest incense. They smell so good. At the same place I got those pants. But yeah, I actually might light one of these after I finish recording this because I love incense. I'm going to be so sad I can't light them at college, which is understandable, but like, I'm going to miss my incense. Then I got this awesome bag, which I'm going to use for school. It's like this canvas tote messenger bag. I don't know like what the exact style of it is called, but I'm obsessed with it. So it has like these 2 outside pockets, which I could put like a water bottle or paintbrushes. I don't know why, but like paintbrushes feel like they would look so cool there. And then it has a back zipper, and then like it zips open, and there's stuff in here. I'm hoping I can fit my laptop in here, but I can definitely fit my iPad. And I don't know, I think this is super cool. It's definitely my vibe. I've been wanting to get something like this for so long, and then I saw it in person and I was like, oh cool, because I love like things that happen like that when you come across something that you've been looking for but you're not like actively seeking out, and then it finds you. I just love like the metaphor in that and just like the message behind that. I don't know, I just think it's really cool. I did not get this while I was on the trip, but this is, funny enough, from New York. I bought it on Etsy and it came while I was out, and it is beautiful. It is the Van Gogh sunflower piece, and it's like a little tote bag, zips, and it has some pockets in here. I actually have, you guys might have seen this, but I have this bag, which is Starry Night. It's from the same company, Janine King Designs. And it's also a Van Gogh piece, and I loved this bag, but I also wanted something bigger, and I was like, wouldn't it be funny if I got like the same artist? I feel like that makes sense, right? So I love this bag so much. I haven't used it yet because I just got home like 2 days ago, but I'm very excited for this too. I'm definitely bringing this to school as well. But yeah, so I think that's almost everything. And then I showed this on stream, and Moose called me the choir director from High School Musical, and that's never gonna leave my head. But hold on, I want to show this to you. I feel like a wizard in this. I feel powerful as heck. It like magnets, so it's like essentially just like one loose piece of fabric, but then you can magnet it together like that, and you can magnet the sleeve so that there's like a pocket for your sleeve like here, and then also on the other arm. And it's also Van Gogh Starry Night, which I think is so funny. But I feel like a powerful wizard in this. I love it. I think it's very quirky. I think it's very me. This is definitely giving off Liv vibes. Like, this is definitely me. I'm gonna be walking around New York City just like looking like a whole ass wizard, but I'm totally down for it. And I love it so much. I would totally just wear this on a day when it's not raining, but I don't know. So that's all of the beautiful stuff I got. I'm so grateful for everything I got and all of the amazing pieces and things I now have in my possession that I'm gonna cherish and love, and I'm so excited. Yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah, truly thank you guys so much for watching this video. There was a lot of cool stuff. You guys got to see some of the stuff I do. And you got to see some beautiful nature clips. I had so many fun adventures, and I loved being in nature for 2 weeks because I feel really disconnected from nature when I'm here. It like, I don't know, and it was beautiful to be there, and I'm very grateful for that. And it felt like a really perfect trip for before I leave and like go into a giant city, which I'm so excited for, but like it was the perfect trip. And I don't know, thank you guys so much for being here and holding space for me and hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next week. Make sure to drink some water, eat some food, and take care of yourself. Bye!